Have a good day, dear students. My name is Mayuri Karya. I hope you all are well in this pandemic situation. With this, we are starting our first chapter of Standard 5th Social Science. The book name is Interaction, a textbook on Social Studies 5. The name of first chapter is The Globe. Chapter 1 Globe. The Earth is the home of all living beings. It is a unique planet in the solar system. It has land masses and water bodies. About 75% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, and the remaining 25% of the total surface is land. The large water bodies are called oceans, and the large land masses are called continents. Look at the map below. The water bodies are shown in blue color and the land masses in a different color. Here is the map. You can see very well here Pacific Ocean, here Pacific Ocean, here Atlantic Ocean, here Atlantic Ocean, here Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. These are the main 5 oceans of the earth. Okay, this has been shown in the blue color, and whatever the land masses that has been shown in the different color. This one is the South America continent, here is North America continent, here is Africa continent, here is Asia continent, here is Australia continent, and here is last but not least Antarctica continent. So these are the land masses. I hope you can see clearly. Oceans. There are 5 major oceans in the increasing order of their size. There are the Antarctic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean. Seas, gulfs, bays, lakes, rivers, etc. are the other smaller water bodies. Continent. We have seen continents in the map already. Continents. There are 7 continents in the decreasing order of their size. There are Australia, Europe, Antarctica, South America, North America, Africa, and Asia. These continents are divided into countries in the world. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Do you know Australia is the smallest continent and a country itself also? Can anyone see our India is a part of which continent? Okay, I am telling you, it is a part of a continent of Asia. What is the Earth's shape? Now, anyone is asking you many times what is the Earth's shape, and frequently people are telling the Earth is round. But many years ago, this myth is that the Earth is flat. The Earth looks flat. Obviously, when we are standing on the Earth, we can imagine that Earth is flat. Long ago, people believed that the Earth was flat and it had steep edges. Steep edges means you can imagine steep edges as stairs. They were afraid to travel and thought that if they travel to the edge they would fall off. Means people are imagine that Earth is having a steep edges, and because of that when the people will travel and at the some point they will they will reach to the end point and they will fall off from there. About 400 years ago, the explorer Magellan had sailed around the earth. He started from one point and sailed in the same direction. After 3 years, his ship reached the same point. If the earth had been flat, he would have reached some abrupt edge. This proved that the earth is round. After that, people started to believe that Earth is actually in a round shape. The picture of the Earth as taken by astronauts show that the Earth is spherical in shape. So I hope you people also got that our earth is in a spherical shape. Now the globe. A globe is a small model of the earth. You can see this small model or miniature of the earth. Mm, why we have to make that small miniature of the earth? We cannot see the whole earth at a time, and even astronauts cannot take the picture of whole earth at a time. So in that situation, globes help us to see the clear situation and picture of the earth. It helps us to correctly see the shape and size of the continents and oceans, distance and directions, etc. It has also shown the shape and location of countries and the location of important cities. We know that we cannot see the whole earth as from the space because it is very big. Even photographs taken by the astronaut shows only half of the earth. Okay, one part of the earth, one hemisphere of the earth. The study of the earth is not so easy without seeing it completely. We need such a man-made object of model to study the earth. This objects of model is called globe. Okay, so means that kind of object which shows the whole picture, whole thing of a earth in a small way, that is called the globe. You must have seen a globe in your school. We can see only half of the globe at a one time. The other half is hidden. In this picture also you can see that we can see only the one part of the earth. The other part of back side we cannot see clearly. You must have seen globe in your school. We can see only half of the globe at one time. The other half is hidden, but we can see the other half by rotating the globe. When we rotate that part, we can see the other part. It is turned around a line passing through it. This line is called the axis. The earth continuously rotates around its axis. The globe is made of a rod that pieces at the pole. For example, we are rotating a ball on our finger, and the ball rotates on a finger on a same position on same place. That is called the rotation on axis. The earth is also having a same situation of axis. Here is the axis. Earth rotates on the same line, that is called the axis. Okay, now for your information, axis is an imaginary line. The earth is rotate on the same place continuously, that is called the rotation on its axis. The earth continuously rotates around its axis. The globe is made to rotate around a rod that fires at the pole. In this way, we can show the rotation of the earth around its axis. The rod, which serves as the axis of the globe, is attached to a stand. In globe, a rod has been attached. Okay, here a rod has been attached to make globe on a stand. The axis is usually inclined at the angle of about 23.5 degree. Means here you can see our earth is not standing straight. It is in a diagonal situation. Okay, slightly tilted. So earth is tilted about 23 0.5 degree. Okay, the amount of which the earth axis is tilted of the sun's axis means earth is being tilted 23.5 degree to the sun. Now earth is having two movement. Earth is continuously rotating on its axis also, and you can see here earth is continuously rotating around the sun also. The movement on its axis is called the rotation, and the movement continuously earth is doing around the sun, that is called the revolution. Here are some pictures to show the globe. Globes come in a different size, different pattern, and in a different manner. For different purpose, people are using the globe. Now, okay. If you are using the globe to see the correct situation of earth, so you are having advantages also and disadvantages also. So we will see here some advantages to use the globe. The globe can represent the earth's curved surface without any distortion, means without any false image. It shows us that earth is in a spherical shape. The globe is often used to plan long sea and air routes called great circle routes and to determine the route of satellites. It is also used to trace earthquake, shocks and tidal waves. Okay, so in many ways globe is going to be used. Because of globes we can know the situation and exact location of the places also. Now disadvantages. Besides some advantages, the globe has having disadvantages as well. First one is it's somewhat bulky and cannot be stored easily. Like we are keeping a map in our pocket. You know very well pocket maps are also coming, but globe we cannot carry that much easily as we can keep map easily. Okay, so it is somewhat bulky and cannot be stored easily. Second one, it is difficult to be carried everywhere because of its size. We cannot take globe easily everywhere because its size. To store a globe is somehow a difficult task for us, and to carry from one place to another place to get only for information, it is a difficult task. On a globe the space is limited, the details cannot be shown. All details cannot be shown that on that much small space. Okay, so these are the disadvantages of the globe also. So I hope you people like this lecture. The further lecture we will continue tomorrow. Thank you so much.